Homework busy? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
So for this problem, we use equation 18-10, from which we can get the fact that drift velocity is equal to current I over number density of electron E times A, the area, number density of electron times E times area. E is the charge of an electron, and so we're dropping the subscript from NE from N there, and times E times area, which is pi d squared over 4, area of a circle, so 4 comes up. So it comes to 4I over NE times pi d squared. Okay, and so the number density, N, is number per unit volume times rho. So this is units of number of molecules, or number of particles, or whatever it is. This is units of volume. This is units of mass over, over, this is divided by M. This will be M. So this is units, so just to reiterate, N has units of number, so no units. Rho has units of mass over volume. M has units of mass, and so the mass and mass cancel. And so the units of this is just 1 over volume, okay? Which is what we need here. So let's replace that here. 4I over N times rho over M times pi d squared times E. And so N is the number of particles in 1 mole. So that would be 6.02 times 10 to the negative 10 to the 23 atoms. Avogadro's number. Rho is the density of copper. Mass is the molecular mass of copper, mass contained in 1 mole. So Vd is 4Im over N rho pi d squared. Okay, so this is 4 times current given is 2.7 times 10 to the negative 6 amps, times mass in 1 mole of copper, that's 63.5 grams, over N, Avogadro's number of particles in 1 mole, so 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms, times density of copper, which is 8,900, so 8.9 times 10 to the 3 kilograms per meter cubed, times pi, times the diameter, which is 0.65 times 10 to the negative 3 meters squared. Okay, and so all of that gives you a drift velocity of 6.0 times 10 to the negative 10 meters per second. And that's it.